I bring a new review. It is FANTECH K613L FIGHTER 2 মডেলের keyboard. দেখুন, I'm showing this keyboard. Look, this is our keyboard and I am now unboxing it. Let's see what is in the box. There is a paperwork and it's nicely packaged with a cover. Look, this is our desired keyboard. It's a gaming keyboard. Really, it's gaming keyboard. Amazing gaming keyboard. We are progressing. This is our keyboard and here is a paper and I'm showing it FANTECH. And look, this cable is covered up, nicely covered up with nylon. Yes, it's covered up with nylon. Look, this is nicely covered up, this line, and this line is so lengthy. Look, and there is a paperwork, and this paper is showing how you can connect your keyboard, and it's showing that the function, multimedia function, and there is the RGB mode also. Look, you can read it and understand every details from there. And this is our keyboard backward, and see, there is a hook. You just press it and open this hook. Yes, and now I turn over this keyboard and see, this hook made this keyboard nicely for typing. Look, there is the best angle. This is the best angle that one can type easily, very easily. This hook made it comfortable and easy for typing. Look, this is every angle. It's make typing so easy. And its keyboard's every button is so smooth. See, every button is so smooth. And now I on it. Look at now. This is our keyboard. And see, the backlight is so bright. And press this. So smooth this button. You know, 80 million keystroke it can carry. And it means it has 80 million keystroke lifetime. And now I just on the light dash, let's see it on dark mode. So nicely it's showing. It can carry 15 gram. Not just 15 gram, more than 45 gram pressure every key can contain. It's really amazing.